Strategic Plan Presentation by Casey Hickerson. Objectives. Mission of Lexington VAMC. The strategic goal. Reason for the change. SWOT analysis. Strategic map. Discussion of action plan for change and evaluation of success. Mission of Lexington VAMC. To fulfill President Lincoln's promise to care for him who shall have borne the battle, and for his widow and his orphan, by serving and honoring the men and women who are America's veterans. Strategic goal. Our strategic goal is to develop an acuity tool that is used on both med-surg telemetry units at the Lexington VAMC. To serve and give criteria for different types of patients that we care for on the two units, and to give each nurse no more than 5 patients, with one patient being complex in their workload. This will be done within a 60-day pilot period to improve patient satisfaction, nursing satisfaction, and nursing recruitment. Reason for the change. While there are many reasons for this change, the need for nursing staff, satisfaction and safety, and the ability to recruit is more imperative than ever. We are currently in a nursing shortage that affects everyone. Some statistics are, although estimates vary widely, the cost of recruiting and training one new nurse for a med-surg floor is usually equal to 100% of their nursing salary, which is between $42,000 and $60,000. And that investment is much higher for an intensive care or even an ER. The main reasons for this change are safe, effective, and efficient patient care, increasing the nursing recruitment and nursing satisfaction and patient satisfaction, and taking into account all 3 of those things to provide competent patient care. This is the SWOT analysis of the strengths and weaknesses of our company. Some that I would like to point out are the nurse union that helps provide opportunities of fairness and competitive pay, generous pay time off, no loss of benefits if you transfer to a different VA, surgeries done with robot-assisted techniques, caring for a special and specific population that we are able to get their care more individualized with their families and veterans. And then a nursing transition, nursing student to nurse grad 4-month program that ensures that they have all opportunities in all aspects of the VA. Weaknesses. Currently, our campus is shared with UK, and we pay a parking pass of $408 every year. Our staffing on floors is very inconsistent because of staff availability and the nursing shortage. There are incentives for other places around the area, but cash bonuses are not available at the Lexington VA. And senior management is not currently visible to staff and ready to hear about their concerns. SWOT analysis continued. Opportunities. The opportunity to give back to the veterans and our veteran community. Opportunity to improve the staff ratios. Opportunity for recruitment of nursing schools and to speak as a VA nurse to come join the team. Opportunity for the public to learn the culture of the VA. And opportunity for managers, leaders, and educators to work with the staff to create a better solution and care model. Threats. Financial threats for budgetary reasons, maybe unable to get the supplies they need. Evidence-based practice for acuity rating in the new nursing staff. Incentives because there are surrounding hospitals that have other incentives. And support from senior management because they are not visible This is a strategy map that I have created. Things I want to point out are our common goal is to accomplish the mission of the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs, create an acuity tool for optimum safety, security, and quality care for veterans and nursing staff. Our action plan. Using ideal and rational model of decision making, we will be able to keep a rational and economic goal in mind. The decision would help to find who is going to be involved in the project and implementation of the change. Strategy that the manager will use would be to manage by objective. That means we are going to set a goal, and then our followers are going to be involved and engaged and be inspired to achieve that goal. Planning, we're going to develop a work group on the acuity system and define the acuity system for the stakeholders. The organizing part, we're going to research the groups and small projects. We're going to present those to the stakeholders and what is going on with the project so that they will know what's going on. Leading, as a leader, it is important for us to be visible with the project, make sure our stakeholders and their followers know what is going on and that they have the care and the security and the safety of the patients in mind. And controlling. However, there are always factors that we cannot control as leaders. The factors that we can control are implementing of the acuity scale, the ability of the nursing staff, and the patients to get involved in the project. Evaluation of success. We're going to use nurse satisfaction anonymous surveys, patient satisfaction anonymous surveys. We're going to evaluate the ability of the nursing staff to spend time with their patients, whether that be a log of their day, and then the ability of the nursing staff to finish in a timely manner. Thank you for listening to my project, and I hope you learned something about the strategic plan that I have put together.